All right, so here is a recreation of the picture that's on the slide for module 9.4. What we're going to do is we're going to name the quadrants, if there is a quadrant. If not, remember, you can name either the x-axis or the y-axis, depending on if it's supposed to be trapped on top of the line or if it's physically in one of the quadrants. Now, what I'm going to do before we get started is I'm going to label these one more time so that you can see the quadrants in the order that they go in. I'm only going to use the Roman numeral. I'm not going to write out the word quadrant. Okay? So quadrant 1 starts here. And everything in quadrant 1 is positive. Your x value is positive. Your y value is positive, okay? In quadrant 2, it's a little bit different. So let's name it quadrant 2. See, I'm going to the left. I'm going counterclockwise. In quadrant 2, if I'm on the left side of the number line, then my x value is negative. But if I'm up here, then my y value is positive. All right, so let's move down a little bit so you can see. In quadrant 3, look where I'm at. Not only am I to the left, okay, so not only is my x value negative, but I'm also below the horizon, if you want to call it the horizontal axis. I'm down here. So because I'm down, my y value is also negative. So we have one quadrant left. And in quadrant 4, remember that is an I with a V in front of it. I'm on the right-hand side of the number line, so my x value is positive this time. But I'm still down here. So the y value is negative, all right? So counterclockwise, and when you're above the line, above the horizon, like here's your x-axis, and you can pretend it's a horizon. If you're above the horizon, your y value is positive. If you're below the horizon, your y value is negative. The same thing goes for your x-axis. If you're to the right of 0, your x value is positive. If you're to the left of 0, your x value is negative. So you have to remember that stuff when we're naming our quadrants. All right. So once we know that, let's zoom in and let's look at these quadrants, see what's up. So I have point A. So when I look at point A, here it is right here, point A. Point A looks like he's physically on which one of the axes? Left or the x-axis or the y-axis? You have to remember which way it goes, horizontal or vertical. Right, the y-axis. So we're going to say that point A is on the y-axis, because you cannot take that point and split and say, half of you are over here and half of you are over here. You can't have that in quadrant 1.5. So it's on the y-axis. All right, let's look at letter B. Where is point B at? Oh, there it is. Here's point B. Where is he? Again, he is on the y-axis. You can't split it up half to the left, half to the right and say he's on, oh, he's in quadrant 3.5. No, we don't say that. He's on the y-axis. All right. Letter C. Where's letter C at? Oh, look, there it is. Down here. Down here. So if he's down here in this bottom right corner, what quadrant is he in? That's right. He is in quadrant 4. So let's write 4 out to the side of him. Okay? Where is point D? D. D is right here, okay? And where is he? Oh, look, he's sitting on top of which axis? The x-axis. So that's what we're going to write, x-axis. Okay? Then where is point E? That's right. It's way down here. Look at that. Way down here in the bottom left. When you're way down here in the bottom left, you're in quadrant 3. Because everything is negative in quadrant 3. So he is in quadrant 1, 2, 3. All right, where is letter F? F. Is there an F? I don't see an F. Okay, G. Oh, there's point G right there. He is in the bottom right, so he must be in quadrant 4, just like letter C. Okay, and letter H, H is over here. Which one is that one on? That's right, it's on the X axis. I don't know why I just did that. Okay, the X axis. All right, letter I, the last letter, there it is up there. Okay, up there it's in quadrant what? 2, very good. Okay, I believe there is supposed to be a letter F on here. Letter F is supposed to be down here, I think. So let's put letter F right there. And letter F, where is he? He's on the y-axis again. And there's a lot of people on the y-axis. Okay. So I hope that this helps you understand better where the quadrants are, how to name points into the correct quadrant. And I will see you next time.